From the bottom of my heart, you have some great friends and fans. They're some of the best.
Nakaka-overwhelm kasi nag-start lang po kami sa hindi namin expect sa loob ng bar ni Kuya.
Bawat tahang binabaybay, pagmamahal umalalay, kabiguan man o tagumpay, hawak mo ang aking kamay. Hindi tayo maliligaw, walang bibitaw, pag-ibig ang mangingibabaw, pag-asa ay abot tanaw. Naniniwala pa rin ako sa himala ng Pasko na magkakaisa tayo sa awiting ito.
Christmas, Makoy and Elise! Ay, may bisita kami dito. May ampon kami. May ampon kami sa likod. Hi! Elise! Hi, Makoy! Merry Christmas! Miss ko na kayo! We love you! We love you! From Abu Dhabi! Merry Christmas! We love you, Makoy! Elise! Elise!
Isang pamilya tayo, we are one in love, lalo na sa Pasko. Isang pamilya tayo, pag-asa'y laging buhay, sa Diyos nating gabay. Isang pamilya tayo, oh. Isang pamilya tayo, oh.
Hello Maclees and Maclees fam! Sana po nag-enjoy kayo dyan sa GT even though I'm not there to celebrate with you guys. Yung message ko po for Kuya Makoy and Ate Elise is sana po hindi kayo magbago, stay humble and down to earth, and continue to support and love each other. Thank you rin po for inspiring me sa school, sa lahat ng bagay, sa mga achievements ko po. Isa po kayo sa dahilan kung bakit ko nakamit yung mga yon. And don't mind your bashers na lang po kasi as long as we're here to support and love you, nobody can drag you down po. And sa Maclees fam naman, thank you for making me happy, for making me laugh. And I'm really thankful na nakasali ako sa fandom na ito. Kaya lang Kuya Makoy and Ate Elise din, thank you for giving me kilig vibes kasi ang tagal ko na talagang hindi kinikilig. So thank you kasi binuhay nyo yung puso ko. And yeah, thank you for everything and mahal na mahal ko kayo. Sana nag-enjoy kayo dyan. And yeah, good luck and Merry Christmas po. Love and support from Italy.
Merry Christmas, Makoy and Elise from Team New Zealand. I miss you guys!
Kahit abot, langit at ulap ang iyong.
Hi Makoy and Elise, I want to greet you Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Stay an inspiration for each other. Love you.
Dahil sabay tayong magsisigap, ang malasakit at kapayapaan nagsisimula sa tahanan. May lakas kang kakapitan dahil ang pamilya'y magpakailanman. Naniniwala pa rin ako sa himala ng Pasko na magkakaisa tayo sa awiting ito. Isang pamilya tayo, we are one in love, lalo na sa Pasko. Isang pamilya tayo, pag-asa'y laging buhay, sa Diyos nating gabay. Isang pamilya tayo, oh. Tayo, oh.
I love you, Maclees! All the way from Canada. Bye!
Hi, Makoy and Elise. Merry Christmas from from the crazy, beautiful Group Chat 3, the most behaved and quietest Macleese group chat. Before I start, I wanted to introduce you to our special family. Meet Eula, Shandy, Rhea, Jane, Milakos, Dreamer, Bing, Dams, Aldub, Auntie Jules, Vegeta, MC, Happy Heart, Marble, Lucille, Ivy, Bunny, She, Randall, Urana, and Ungoy, also known as Murangoy, and me, Danrich. My point is, as you guys can see, we're all so different. Whether it's our language or our locations, our username or our sense of humor, our personalities or our preferences, we're a huge mess altogether. We get in trouble from OFC a lot, for a lot of different reasons, but we all manage to balance each other out, because we do have one thing we all share in common. It's our love for you both, McCoy and Elise, Macleese. Each one of us have our own story of how or why we fell in love with you both. But to keep this short, simply because you two showed us what natural chemistry is. You both inspired us to be better versions of ourselves, to keep moving forward, and to believe that all things will fall perfectly into place in the right time. That no matter what other people would say, we'll continue to stand true to ourselves and hold on to our values. We only hope that all our love and support will continue to find its way into your hearts and help you whenever you feel like giving up. Know that the whole Macleese family, not just Group Chat 3, will always have your back. Thank you for the love, inspiration, daily kilig, and the family we never thought would find. Have a merry little Christmas, McCoy and Elise. With love, Group Chat.
Let's laugh and cry and dream together. Ano man ang mangyari, family is forever. Let's
Hello guys! McCoy and Elise, we love you! Nandito na kami para sa inyo. God bless! From Macleese Hong Kong Chapter! Merry Christmas, McCoy and Elise! We love you from Team Ganang!
Simula ng Pasko na magkakaisa tayo sa awiting ito. Isang pamilya tayo. We are one and love. Isang pamilya tayo.
Our tagline, 2 hearts, 1 goal, is for Macleese, while numerous hearts as one is for fandom. Strangers, people from all walks of life, all brought together by the shared love for Macleese at the beginning. Now this fandom is not only binded by fanboying or fangirling, they are now binded by love, respect, and trust for each other. We are not just a fanbase, we are now a family. On behalf of Macleese Official, we're wishing you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.